Hello, hello, hello. Welcome once again to Hugo's House, the channel where the toys roost. Okay, today, boys and girls, we have got all the monster trucks lined up, and Hugo is going to tell us all about the monster trucks and tell us who is who. So, without further ado, I'm going to hand you over to the man himself, Hugo Stanley Pollard. Okay, tell me about these trucks, mate.
So this one can do a double backflip and land on its wheels.
Awesome.
And it's called Blaze.
Blaze, nice to meet you, Blaze. We're going to look forward to seeing you in the
Hello,
Monster Truck
Daddy.
Arena shortly.
This is Crusher, and he likes to cheat with Blaze right here.
Oh, nobody
In
likes
the
a
race.
cheat. Nobody likes a cheat, do they?
In the race, he likes to cheat, so he wants to win.
Okay.
This is a grizzly bear.
Hi, Grizzly Bear. Ooh. Ah, Grizzly Bear's attacking us.
So when Blaze was hiding from him and he was sleeping, he actually stepped on a bounty ball and it woke him up.
Oh.
And he ran away, but the bear got thrown away.
Epic.
So this is just a normal monster truck, and it's meant to be in the Monster Truck Arena, Carolina Crusher.
Carolina Crusher, we'll look forward and we'll see if you can do some backflips in the Monster Jam Arena. Now this one looks a little bit dangerous. Oh, wait, we're gonna go get Megalodon.
So this is Zeg, and he likes to charge at people. He's also Blaze's friend.
We've noticed that he likes to charge at people.
He once charged at Blaze when he met.
Wow. Okay, let's move on to the black one.
So this one can do this.
Oh, it's good power. Yeah, we like the power on this little guy.
So this one is called Stripes.
Stripe.
Blaze's friend.
Okay,
And watch what he can do.
we're watching. Oh,
So you press the back of it like that.
yep, and he's got sweet power.
Yeah.
Yeah. And last, but by no means least,
Put your tires together for the one and only Darrington.
well, Darrington speaks for himself. Darrington!
Okay, here.
Who is it?
Darrington!
Okay, so what we're going to do later on, Hugo?
We're gonna make a Monster Truck Arena.
Okay, so we're going to have our very own Monster Jam. Come back and join us later. If you like the
With
video,
these
click like.
monster
And
trucks.
what do you do if you want to see more videos?
Hit the subscribe button.
Hit the subscribe button.
If you want to see any more of this monster truck, or this one, or this one,
Hit
or
subscribe.
this one.